Namaste everyone. Welcome in the new session. Myself Pooja. We are on the journey of understanding our own being. खुद को पहचानने की, खुद को जानने की, खुद के अंदर जो एनर्जी है, उसको पहचानने की जो हमारी सीरीज चल रही है, उसी का आज सेकंड पार्ट है। फर्स्ट पार्ट में हमने जाना था कि हमारे पास 5 कोशास हैं, 5 बॉडीज। जानते तो हम एक ही फिजिकल बॉडी के बारे में थे जो दिख रहा है, बट सडनली पूजा मैम ने बता दिया है कि 5 हैं। और हमारा योग शास्त्र भी बोलता है, हमारे इतने सारे शास्त्र हैं वो भी बताते हैं कि हमारे पास 5 शरीर है। पंच 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 नाम आपने सुना है ना, बहुत सारी जगह पर है। ये 5 शरीरों से बना हमारा शरीर है, जिसकी प्यूरिफिकेशन करना बहुत ज़रूरी है। पहला शरीर तो हमारा फिजिकल बॉडी है, जिसकी प्यूरिफिकेशन हमने लास्ट वीडियो में की थी। और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं इमोशनल बॉडी की। सबके पास इमोशंस है ना, गुड फील होता है, बैड फील होता है, हैप्पी, सैडनेस, ये सब इमोशंस है, एंगर, इरिटेशन, फ्रस्ट्रेशन। ओके, अब अगर हमारी एक क्वेश्चन है, आप सभी के माइंड में आता होगा, मुझे भी आता है, अगर हमारे पास फिजिकल बॉडी है तो हमें ये इमोशनल बॉडी दिखती क्यों नहीं है? हम इस इमोशनल बॉडी को महसूस कर सकते हैं। जैसे आप समझ सकते हैं कि फिजिकल बॉडी एक जैसी हमेशा रहती है, लेकिन इमोशंस एक जैसे नहीं रहते। इमोशंस बदलते रहते हैं, चेंज होते रहते हैं। आप हर वक्त तो सैड नहीं है ना, आप हर वक्त तो हैप्पी नहीं है। ये इमोशन का चेंज होता है, तो ये डिफरेंट बॉडी में होता है। अगर वो जिस तरह से फिजिकल बॉडी दिख रही है, आपका अगर सैड इमोशन है तो सैड ही इमोशन में रहेंगे आप, आपका इमोशन चेंज होगा ही नहीं। दैट इज वाई वो दिखती नहीं है, इट्स इनविजिबल। ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू हील दिस इनविजिबल बॉडी नेम्ड एज एस्ट्रल वर्ल्ड और एस्ट्रल बॉडी। इसको एस्ट्रल वर्ल्ड भी कहा जाता है, एस्ट्रल बॉडी भी बोला जाता है, इमोशनल बॉडी भी बोला जाता है तो एक ही चीज, नाम बहुत सारे हो जाते हैं, राइट? हम करने वाले हैं आज एस्ट्रल बॉडी का हीलिंग और प्यूरिफिकेशन। क्लोज योर आईज एवरीवन, close your eyes, curl your tongue and touch the palate. Let's start. Imagine your God, उस ईश्वर, उस क्रिएटर को याद करें जिसने हमें बनाया है। उस क्रिएटर को अपने माइंड में, जिसने ये पूरा यूनिवर्स बनाया, वो क्रिएटर तो ऊपर से देख रहे हैं ना, छोटे छोटे से बीइंग्स हैं, राइट? सो जस्ट इमेजिन दैट एब्सोल्यूट being who create all of us. Go with the flow, the very fantastic flow. You can create your energy. You can change your energy. You can construct this thing. You can transmutate everything with the power of God and Guru. Just relax your body, relax your mind. Inhale, curl your tongue, take the deep breath. गहरी लंबी सांस लेंगे। हर सांसों के साथ अपने आप को ढीला छोड़ते जाएं। Lose your neck, your mind, your neck, your shoulder, arms, complete hands, the chest and back loose, just loose and relax. The more you are relaxed, the more you can take the benefit from this process. Relax, release all the tensions in your muscles. Focus on your whole body and release the tension from that muscle. Release the tension from that muscle. Release, release, release. Just release the tension from that muscle. Focus on your body. Feel the body is completely relaxed. Visualize you are lying on the green grass, the bed of the green grass, the open sky, and you're lying onto the grass. The leaves, the grass, the mud, you can smell that freshness. Your physical body can feel that the power of the grass, the land, open sky. Just lie down. Calm your senses. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Leave your physical body as you leave when you sleep. Leave your physical body, everyone. Just leave. Leave your physical body now. The astral body, the emotional body is very beautiful. It's silvery in color. Feel that you are silvery, transparent, completely transparent. If you are able to feel yourself transparent, then only you can visualize or you can see those black spots of the emotion. Just lie down over your hands, your legs, and inhale deeply. Feel your body is transparent. If you are not able to feel your body is transparent, just focus the spots or patches onto your body. Maybe ये patches आपके emotions के हो सकते हैं because the anger, these patches may called as anger, fear, jealousy, hatred, revenge, or malice, or any emotion. You name it, you feel that. Your astral body must be silvery and transparent. Feel that those patches. Feel the air flowing in the system is clearing all your patches. Inhale slowly, exhale slowly. Inhale slowly and deeply. Exhale slowly and deeply. Feel the Mother Earth, the power of the earth. Feel that power of the earth. Mother Earth is sucking all your black spots or non transparent. Say, I am releasing lots of patches into the earth. इस धरती माँ को जो भी आप में पैच है वो इस धरती को दे दो. जहाँ कहीं भी आपको कोई रोक दिख रही है, रुकावट दिख रही है, कोई डार्क एनर्जी दिख रही है, release all these dark energies. Think the Mother Earth, is clearing it. Feel the water, the rainwater is flowing onto all of us. You just lie down and feel that rainwater is flowing like a love energy. Feel the love. Feel the love. Feel the love in your eyes, in your face. It is running inside your body. Feel that love energy is clearing your patches, black spots, energy syrups, or any kind of non-transparent energy. Feel that love energy through the falling rainwater. Feel the body is clearing and your heart, feel your heartbeat, and love is coming out from your heart, spreading into your astral body, your emotional body, and wherever there is a emotion of anger, feel the love is clearing that anger patches from my mind, from the brain, from your neck, shoulders, from your stomach, from your entire abdomen and on from your thighs and legs. Just release all the fear. Say, I am clearing all the fear. The fear patch, wherever it may be, it is releasing, clearing. Clean the fear spots, fear patches. Maybe it's like a thin or wavy or like a snake. Just extend the love, that compassion in the love, and those fearful patches are clearing. Wash your anger, wash your fear, wash the jealousy. Jealousy may be like a yellowish, dirty yellowish color. I am clearing the jealousy from my shoulder, from my heart, from my breast, or from my entire front body or back of my spine. It is clearing. Feel the rainwater is clearing that yellowish dirt from the emotional body. Any form of jealousy, release it. Any form of jealousy, just release it. If you're revengeful or if you're in a revenge, if you feel कि मुझे बदला लेना है, कह नहीं पा रहे हैं बट मन में फील हो रहा है, are you ready to release that revenge? Just go through your body. There are many black spots, small spots onto your body, small. Feel the love is falling in the form of rainwater. Every droplet of the water is pouring into your pores and it's clearing all the revenge. Feel that peace in your heart, in your body, in your muscles, that calmness. The power of God. Fire is the God, right? That fire coming from the liquid water, that fire of the Mother Earth coming from the ground. I am releasing all my fear, anxiety, hatred, anger, jealousy, revenge. I am releasing the sickness inside my astral body, all the thoughts, emotions, all the spots from my shoulder, neck, from my hands, and from my body. any ugly, duggly, malicious, polluted energies, wherever it may be. You got that opportunity to release, to clean, to leave from your chest area. Release. Don't need to identify anything. Wherever it is, the silvery, non-silvery area, wherever non-transparent area. Focus on your whole leg, body, from top to bottom or from bottom to top, front and back, wherever there may be any non-transparent energy. Say, I am clearing. Clearing. Feel the love is in the air and release. Release, 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 release. Release from your entire body, your entire abdomen, balls, your entire spine, your muscles, tissues, organs, cells, everything is now cleansed and filling with the love. As you are filling your astral body with love, your body is becoming brighter. Feel that brightness. Brighter, 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 brighter. Let it be bright, bright, more bright. Your body is becoming bright, 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 bright. There is from head to toe. Your body is shining like a silver. Feel your the being converting into the silver being. सुनहरे रंग के होते ना सिल्वरी सिल्वरी चांदी जैसे जैसे चांदी सफेद है चमकती हुई की बॉडी भी एकदम सिल्वरी वाइट और चमक रही है. Just feel that energy and release. Release, 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 and release all the emotions. किसी के पास बहुत सारे emotions हो सकते हैं. You name it, you can clean this process through this process. Just go with the flow. क्या आपको लगता है आपका शरीर गर्म हो गया? अगर हाँ, तो it's a good sign. या फिर बहुत ठंडा हो गया. Even though this is a good sign because silver ठंडा होता है ना? So just you can not separate your physical body or emotional body. It's one in another. ये एक के अंदर एक है. इनको separate नहीं कर सकते हैं. But our system know how to separate it. जब हम सो जाते हैं तो हमारी physical body हमारी इमोशनल बॉडी से सेपरेट होती है एवरी डे. हमारी बॉडी इस सिस्टम को एक्सेस करना चाहती है, बस हमें अवेयरनेस नहीं है. ओके, कम बैक एवरीवन. फील द बॉडी इज क्लेंस्ड, cleansed, 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 and you can open your eyes. Open your eyes, open your eyes, feel that brightness in and around you. See onto your front, onto your right, onto your left, onto your back. Your body is very bright. I knew it. Your body is very bright. Thank you, all the great, great gods, the absolute God. Thank you, the Creator, for making us so beautiful, so mesmerizing, so loving. Thank you for giving us the love energy. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. With a deep gratitude, Atma Namaste to all the beautiful souls. I salute the divinity in all of you. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for being watching, subscribing, and sharing these videos to your family, to your friends, to anyone whom you would want to. ओके. एंड जो ये एस्ट्रल बॉडी होती है ना, इसी में ही जितनी भी बीमारियां हैं, सिकनेस है, ये इसी में रहती है. thousands of the disease live in the astral body. So kindly do this process. You can do every day, you can do alternate day, you can do just after doing the physical healing, you can go with the astral healing. Thank you, Atma Namaste. Please, if you want to learn this, if you want to heal others, if you want to feel this energy, if you want to scan the power in your hands, you can contact me. You can scan everything, every energy, whether it is good or bad. हमें क्या करना है, हमें क्या नहीं करना है, आप ये स्कैनिंग से सीख सकते हैं. You can contact me through my WhatsApp number, through my mobile number. The numbers are giving in the description box. Thank you, Atma Namaste. Bye bye. We will meet again to heal the next kosha. Atma Namaste. Thank you.